The talks were ripe in the air following the memorandum of understanding that the central government signed with the Mengo establishment. Attention now appears focused on the practicality on how the implementation will be undertaken by the central government. Demands continue to stream in as stakeholders demand for the roadmap that will be followed in ensuring the memorandum of understanding does not stop at the theoretical level but ensure government fulfills its pledge.
This directive has to be translated into reality. The reality of this is that there is a requirement for money, and therefore, since it is the prerogative of Parliament to appropriate, this should be reflected in the ministerial policy statements.
They should give us a bit of time, and we are going to come back to the committee, and we shall be in a position to explain to them the various instructions and directives that His Excellency will have given us.
The move, however, appears to have attracted spontaneous demands from other kingdoms that as well lost their properties to the central government, with a section of members of parliament questioning the preparedness of the state in responding to the fresh demands in the spirit of fairness as the government downplays the worries.
We shall be in a position to deal with them because that has always been our approach.
Recently, government announced a memorandum of understanding with Buganda Kingdom, announcing the return of assets that have been in government custody since the 1960s, including 20 billion shillings, Mutesa House in London, land and other administrative units at county levels, minus the 9,000 square miles. But it remains, however, to be seen how the government will handle the demands from Bunyoro, Busoga and Ankole that have been energized by the victory of Buganda. Sabiti Joseph, WS Television, Parliament.